Hey everyone! So, a couple weeks ago, our town had their big town-wide yard sale. It's a big event they have every year. I decided to pull some cash out and go get some things. And, wow. Yeah, I got... Where's my list? Where's my list? Here's my list. 2 light brights, an adult tricycle, a scooter, a cock sign, a cheese board, a pound of honey, a table saw, an arrow garden, a desk light, a super soaker, a notebook bag, 3 clamps, some small parts bins, 3 J's, like the ones that go on signage, cable management clips, Legos, 2 light brights. I already said that, but I'm going to say it again. A glass thermometer, a vacuum cleaner, an unopened Monopoly anniversary. I have no idea what it's worth, but I'd like to see. A camera light and a cast iron, one of those circular ones, and a cast iron vise. I got a lot. I spent like $200 on random shit. But a lot of it has problems, which is normal for stuff that you get at yard sales. You know, you buy a bike, it has some rust on it, and you find out partway down a hill that the brakes don't work. You get a light bright, and it turns out it's one of the modern ones that only has like 6 LED lights in it, and that's not good. You don't want that. So yeah, we are gonna go through this collection, and we're gonna fix some of these things. We're going to start with the adult tricycle. I was halfway down a hill before I realized that it had no brakes. So yeah, that needs to be changed before I use this as my regular grocery cart thing.
Has a crack nicely.
Go backwards, brake. Doesn't move at all. Perfect.
I think that's people, you're like, oh my god. I'll tell you this. When I first became friends with Garrett Muller of Veritasium, and I went to his house. He has a very nice house, doesn't he? He did. Beautiful. I was brought on to just like help you. He's going to say the weird thing. I'm going to kind of back up. We didn't know what we were talking about. No, and this is the problem. Resource, but I think there's always us.
This one I'm not going to make the same mistake on. I have my hands on it.
People are going to
God.
this. The whole
Yes.
in the movies, the whole
Safety.
show ends in your.
What the? Yeah. The ratchet is broken. Hammer. Hammer. Okay. Heck yes. Wow, look how rusty that thing is.
It's like when you make the thing.
Oh, I'm still recording. Hello. I'm going to put on safety glasses. I feel like that's a good idea. Safety glasses are a wonderful thing that I should make an effort to wear more often. Where are my safety glasses? Dab of something fun right there. I cut a hole! Beauty! That is not focused at all. Uh-oh. Oh no, it focused on the pipes on the back wall. I think the holes are off. The problem is, putting a brake like this on a bike is a bit of an exact science, and I'm not exactly a scientist, so yeah. Next time. Now we paint these on this side, turn them around, paint them on that side. And now we wait for those to dry. I don't know what else we're gonna do right now. See that? Rust is gone. I should go get washers for these, but I don't wanna. That's time and effort. Well, we'll see how this goes. Okay, rear brakes do not work at all. And pull the brakes. Okay, not horrible. Not good, not bad. I'm beginning to think bike brakes just aren't that great. Or I'm bad at installing them. Okay, I think we are good. On to the next thing. The next product I purchased is Light Bright. Now, the Light Bright that I grew up with was a pretty large box. I feel like it was big. I was either small at the time or it was bigger than this. I feel like it was bigger than this. And that one was, you plugged it into the wall and it had a light bulb at the back that would light up everything in here. This one, I don't think it does it that way. Let's put some batteries in. Turn off the lights for this. That barely lights up at all. That is absolutely horrendous. It does light up, it does noticeably light up, but it is not nearly as bright as I remember it being as a child. It was blinding as a child, and it needs to be made blinding again. The Light Bright came with 6 LEDs installed, and I happen to have an LED strip with 21 lights. What's 21 plus 6? I found a 216 LED studio light at Goodwill. I also got a power supply to solder to it. 9.3 volts and 4 amps. We touch this. Turn off. On. Off. Wow, when this thing gets filled, this is going to be blindingly bright. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Oh, you can see the little reflection on the camera. All right, next step.
Dancing on rainbows, pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows, pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows, the unicorns dancing on rainbows, pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
My main camera has correction for very bright lights, so it really doesn't give you a real idea of how bright it actually is. So here is the image that I made. Here's the, you know, it's a nice little, it's a fluffy unicorn with a rainbow tail. Here is how it looks with the light on. My eyes! My eyes! Yeah, it tries to correct, but it really can't. Because this is like, this is very bright. Very, very, very bright. Let's just barely turn it on so that it's actually visible. And then, oh! I bought a vacuum cleaner for $1 at one of the local yard sales. I tried it out and unfortunately it sucks. Not in the way that I wanted it to suck, but still sucked nonetheless. So we're getting rid of that one. I found this one in our closet. It doesn't... It doesn't work.
We're blinded by the eyes of you. Time kept I can fix that.
Good enough. I probably should have checked to see if this actually worked. Floor looks nice now. I got this circle light, so I don't have to keep setting up tripods all over the place to get a good general set of light going to scenes down here. So yeah, I'm going to use that. But the problem is, you see that? You see that? That's a female end. You know what's on the bottom of every single camera ever? Also a female end. Focus, focus, focus. You are so close. Okay, that is a 1/4-20. I sawed the back end off of it, the head. It doesn't fit no more, so. This last one is a big one. It's not, it is a genuine solid brass 1980s Lord of the Rings belt buckle. It's got a decent amount of wear and tear on it, but it's nothing I can't fix. I'm just kidding, we got other ways to clean that. I forgot to record all the audio for this one. I forgot to plug in the microphone. So, to recap. Did I not have sound that entire time? I need to check this video afterwards because if I didn't have sound, I might have. Okay. Any change? Not at all. Still has that patina. Well, we'll put it back in for another 3 minutes. That didn't change anything. I mean, it looks like I got rid of some of the stuff here, and the water is definitely dank now. Here, hold on. I'm not better than a monkey. I like shiny things. Sorry, the end was a disappointment. It was fun along the way, at least. So yeah, that was it. Kind of a lousy ending. I think that patina was supposed to stay there, but I mean, I would like to have it removed. I like, cause I know some people like the patina, but I like shiny. I want shiny. I got shiny from the Light Bright though, so I'm satisfied for now. That's it. I have a bunch of other stuff from the yard sale, but most of it either works properly or I at least haven't found what's wrong with it yet. Yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Join my Patreon. All that happy bullshit. See ya.